There's an issue with grinding culture in the Amazon FBA community, more specifically in the arbitrage community, because just yesterday, and it's just not yesterday, but you see that often, people saying, oh, I just finished working my 9 to 5. No, I'm gonna go back to the warehouse and prep 1,000 units. Or I just finished my 9 to 5. I'm gonna go to retail arbitrage and spend $5,000. Who says retail arbitrage is dead? Oh, all that stuff. But it's really dumb as fuck, and it's really short-sighted. And in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you why you guys are dumb as fuck and why you need to change that, because you are slaves. No, you are not business owners. You are slaves to your job and to your business. But before I actually do, I'm now offering one-on-one coaching. Link in the description. If you want me to help accelerate your growth on Amazon, if you do not have time to watch all the videos, you really need someone to hold your hand to grow your business. Or it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're a little bit more advanced. If you need help scaling your business, link in the description. Book a call with me. Also, we have a Discord server, best place to network with other people in this industry. Best place to meet new friends, best place to ask any small questions that you may have and get an answer super fast. Link in the description, join the community, come and go with us. So, as I said, and I've been talking about that a little, it's not the first time, but in this community you really see a lot of people not really, like most people, like you do not need to be a business genius to run an Amazon business. Let's call it that way. And you see a lot of people really trying to hang to what's been working for them and never looking for more leverage and go like find something that they can do with more leverage by outsourcing, by just having more money to spend in inventory, delegating stuff. You like people try to stick with retail arbitrage because it works for them stuff. I understand that you may like it, all that stuff. It's fine. But at one point, like if you make six figures a month, why are you still running from store to store? It does not make sense at all. You are a slave to your business. And I saw a tweet as well yesterday saying that if you work 70 hours in your business a week, you are doing something wrong, and it's right. And if you have a 9 to 5, you work 40 hours at your 9 to 5, and then you work 40 hours at your job as well a week, it does not make sense. You are dumb as fuck, because either you are really bad at outsourcing, at delegating, or you think you're someone special and whatever you're doing is not delegable. Like you cannot delegate what you're doing, which is false. You're not special. You're probably, like, and I'm talking to you, you're probably a person of average intelligence. If you watch this video, you're not smarter than the other people. So whatever you do can be outsourced, can be delegated super easily. Like sourcing can be delegated super easily, right? And third, like if it's not one of those two, it's just that your business model is not scalable. And like if your business model is not scalable, you need to switch to a model that allow you to use more leverage, a business model with more leverage. So for example, if you do retail arbitrage, you try to move to online arbitrage because you can outsource sourcing. With retail arbitrage, you cannot outsource sourcing. And it's really dumb to do things these ways because you just build yourself another job. There's no reason to do this. Yeah, that's good that you do 6 figures a month. That's super good. But you work 80 hours a week. It sucks. It does not make sense. This is not a business. You're just building yourself a job. Try to build a business. And it's so short-sighted. It is so short-sighted because you work all those extra hours just to increase your return on investment by a little bit. And even if it's just 10%, you're just going to increase your margins by 3 to 5% at the end of the day. That's not much. That's not crazy. You can grow your business further by finding a way to actually get more leverage. There's no reason why you should put 40 hours a week on your business. You could put 40 hours a week. And of course, I'm saying this, but like at the beginning, yes, of course, at the beginning, you need to spend a lot of time to learn how to source, to learn how to do this, to do this, to do this, to do this. But at one point, you should not do all those things yourself. You should not be driving from store to store every single day to be able to spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a day. It does not make sense. It's not scalable. You're going to be tired, and one day you're going to crash because you just drive tired as fuck, and you run on coffee. This is not how to run a business. You're not supposed to run a business like this, all right? It's really dumb as fuck. It's so short-sighted because like just at the end of the day, you just do all this just to get an extra 3% or 5% on your margins. It's not worth it. If you can work less and focus on other stuff that can actually brings you further away. Like you can work on another business with that money, inject that money into another business, put all those hours into a business that makes sense, like a real business, and not you driving around. It does not make sense. You're so short-sighted because like you do all that work just to increase your margin by 3 to 5%. How does this make sense? Explain to me how it makes sense. You are just a slave to your business, and you should strive to actually find a way to have more leverage. All right, go to somewhere where you can have more leverage. Whether it is a business model where you can spend money, like it's way easier for you to spend money, or it's way easier for you to actually delegate stuff. That's it. Find more leverage, grow your business further, and stop being a slave and working 80 hours a week on your business, because you ain't going nowhere. You're not going nowhere with this. You cannot scale that further. Like, there's no way. So yeah, just find more leverage. Strive to always find a way to find more leverage in your business, and you will keep growing your business. You're just gonna pay 3 to 5% on your margins. You can easily have 20% margins with this. So yeah, don't be dumb. So I hope you liked this video. Watch these videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. I release a new video every single day. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe, like this video, do all that stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.